Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to book a bus ticket in JoyRide. So let's say you want to book a bus ticket in JoyRide in the Philippines. So how do you do that? All we need to do is open our JoyRide. So to book a bus ticket in our Philippines, you can use JoyRide. JoyRide is much more well known, and it has motorcycle, car, taxi, grab, and much more that you can choose from. But now we're going to choose on bus. Click on bus. After clicking on bus, book JoyRide bus. So here you just need to type in. So we have two options right here, round trip or one way. So when we're gonna do one way, we don't have to add in the return date. But here we're gonna choose round trip, we have the return date. I got departure and return. If we're gonna do runway, we're just gonna do runway for an example. We're gonna do to Baguio to let's just say are the options. Let's just say Cubao, Baguio to Cubao. Then travel date, let's just say the 7, confirm date. Then we can add quantity, 1 passenger. Then search, and once it's done that, now we'll have the searches area. We have the deluxe, G-liner, Victor Line, Deluxe, and so much more. And those are the prices, as you can see right there. As you can see, and those are the remaining seats. After doing that, click on book. Then here, after booking as you can see, we're on seat 7. And then we can enter our first name, and blah 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 blah. Then after that, just enter that. Then you'll be able to pick. Then it's gonna confirm add the payment process. After you're adding the payment process, after just fill up this area here, you're just gonna click on confirm. Then you're done. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you book your bus ticket here in JoyRide. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.